all day, but tomorrow they'll be held to pay.
The afterlife will be headed for the serious right. Not to make them speed all day, but tomorrow they'll be held to pay.
The people listen attentively, I mean about future calamity. I used to think the idea was obsolete until I heard the old man stamping his feet. This is a place where eternally fire is applied to the body. Teeth are extruded and bones are ground and baked into cakes which are passed around.